Hi students, how are you? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. I am S. Naveen Kumar from Bharathasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam, Department of Computer Science and Applications. Now we are going to see 11th standard Computer Science and Applications chapter 2 number systems. In this number system, this is the second part. In that first part we are discussed what is the decimal number system and what is the binary number system. Now we are going to see the octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay. What is an octal number system? Octal number system is one of the number systems types which is used in physics instrument, that is AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And then that octal number system base value is 8. The other name of base value is also called as radix value. It refers the same, that is 8. How it was? The base value is 8. Very simple. The range of octal number system. The range is 0 to 7. That means in that octal number system consists of only 0 to 7. For example, 3, 4, 6 base 8. It is a correct example of octal number system. One of the correct example of octal number system. And another one more example, 4, 5, 9 base 8. If it is correct? No. How it is correct? This means the range of octal number system it's only 0 to 7, but here what number is present now? 9. It's not a octal number system. This is an example of octal number system. Only the octal number system should be comes under the range 0 to 7. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next we are going to see the hexadecimal number system. In this hexadecimal number system, where it was used? It is used to store the data in computer. All the data can be stored in computer in the form of bits and bytes, but we have some representation. That representation is used hexadecimal number system. What is the base value of hexadecimal? The base value of hexadecimal number system is 16. How the base value can be represented as 16? Because the range is 0 to f. What is mean by f? In numeric values can be represented 0 to 9. 0 to 9 and then remaining 10 can be represented is in the form of A and 11 can be represented is in the form of B, 12 can be represented is in the form of C and 13 can be represented D, 14 can be represented E, 15 can be represented as F. So that is 0 to 15 is the range of hexadecimal that can be denoted as 0 to 9 and A to F. This is a range. With the help of this range, it can be represented in computer in the terms of 4 bits representation. 4 bits representation. In octal, it can be represented in 3 bits and hexadecimal value can be represented as in 4 bits representation. Are you clear, students? Very good. Now we are going to see the number system conversion. What is the meaning of conversion? It's very simple. Conversion means one number can be changed into another type of number. How we can change? We have some formula. It looks like a mathematical calculation and it's very easy to do that. Okay. Now we are going to see decimal number system to binary number system conversion. What is decimal number system? What is the base value of that? Very good. 10. The base value of decimal number is 10. And what is the base value of binary? The base value of binary number system is 2. How we can convert decimal number to binary? That means we have a formula the given number is in decimal. How can you identify the decimal number system? Given number is a decimal number system. Very simple, with the help of base value. The other name of base value is called radix value. Now we are convert decimal to binary. What is the binary value? What is the base value of binary? That is 2. The decimal value can be divided by the base value of binary number system. That means divided by 2. Next, we want to convert decimal to octal means. Very simple, the same process. What is the base value of octal number system? Very good, 8. That 8, the given decimal number can be divided by 8. The same we want to convert decimal to hexadecimal number system with the help of what? Divided by 16, because the base value of hexadecimal number system is 16. This is the main formula used to convert decimal numbers to all other remaining type of number system. Are you clear, students? Next, we want to see decimal to binary conversion example. What is an example in this? This convert 53 base 10 into a binary form. How we can finalize the given number is a decimal number? Yeah, very good. With the help of what? With the help of the base value. What is the base value present here? 10. 10 which is used to identify given number is a decimal number. With the help of this given number is a decimal number, we want to convert binary form. How can you convert? You know the formula very well. Decimal to binary. What you do? Divided by 2. We can take only the remainders. For example, 53 should be divided by 2. How many 2's are there in 5? 2 2's are 4. What is the value of balance? 1. 13. That means 6 2's are 12. Remainder should be 1. 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 2's are 6. The remainder value should be 0. Here 2. 6 2's are 12. The remainder value should be 1. 2. 3 2's are 6. Remainder should be 1. 2. 1 2 is 2, balance 1. How you write this result in that binary form? It should be down to up, that is bottom up approach we can write. For example, 53 base 10 is the given question that can be converted into a binary form. In this binary, how can you write? 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. That is, how many ones are there? 1 1 1 1 0 1, and finally you put the base value. That is very important. This which is the base value, this base value which is used to identify the given number is a binary number system. This is the answer. This is the conversion of decimal number to binary number system. This is a very simple example. Are you clear, students? Next, that is verification. What is the meaning of verification? We have an answer or no? That answer, with the help of that answer, we can go backward. We get a question as the answer. And this is conversion is binary to decimal form. This is binary to decimal form. How can you convert? Very simple. This can be reversed, that is multiplication of 2 to the power of 0 and multiplication of 2 to the power of 1. How the power value should be increased? The power value should be increased based upon the number of digits. Based upon the number of digits. With the digits only, the power value should be increased. How we can calculate? Let us consider 1 1 0 1 0 1 base 2. How? This is the 0th position. 1 2 3 4 5. How many places are there? 0 1 2 3 4 5. How can we calculate? 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 again plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. 1 into 2 to the power of 0. How many digits are there? That is 0th position, and here first position and second, third, fourth, fifth. How we can calculate 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2? That means that multiplication. How we can calculate this multiplication? 2 to the power of 0 means the value is what? Anything power 0? Very good student. Anything power 0, 1. 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64. Up to it will increases. How can we calculate? It's very easy. That means 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Each and every number should be multiplied by 2. We get an increase of powers. Yes, that means 1 into 2 power 5. Any number can be multiplied with 1. That number will be the result. What is the value of 2 power 5? 32. That means 1 into 2 power 5, 32 into 1. We get an same answer, 32. Plus 1 into 2 power 4. What is the value of 2 power 4? 16. 16 into 1? 16. Plus 0 into anything, what happened? 0. Very good. 0. Plus 1 into 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 4. 4 into 1? 4. Plus 0 into 2 power 1. 0 into anything? 0. Plus 1 into 2 power 0. Anything power 0? What will be the answer? Very good. 1. 1 into 1? 1. Now we get calculate. What is that? 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 6, 46 plus 2, 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 52 plus 1, 53. This is the decimal number. How can you write this is a decimal number? You can write the decimal number with the base value is what? 10. So very important one. Next, finally you write the question. 110101 base 2 is equal to 53 base 10. Very clear, students? This final step you must write and put it in box. It carries 1 mark. We have attached the study material and self-evaluation question paper and interior 1 mark, that means a creative 1 mark question from this chapter will be included in that below description. You can go through and evaluate yourself with the help of home test. What are the concepts? What is an octal number system and what is an hexadecimal number system, and we can find 2 types of conversion, that is decimal to binary and binary to decimal. What is the base value of binary number system? Very good. 2 is the base value of binary number system. And what is the base value of hexadecimal number system? 16. And what is the base value of octal number system? 8. Very good. And in that below description we are attached the study materials and question paper and self-assessment things and 1 marks also added. You can go through it. Thank you, students.